I look at you and it's easy to see.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. So today is 16th November, Saturday. Time अगर मैं आपको भी बताऊँ, it's 4 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Very odd कि मैं इस टाइम उठ गई हूँ and I'm shooting right now. Something super exciting is about to happen, so just wait and watch. ऐसा पहली बार होगा. This is the first type of such vlog on this channel. आगे आगे सब बताऊँगी. And yes, I woke up just now, like just a second ago. So now I'm starting with the vlog and it's gonna be a very fun-filled day. And I hope you guys enjoy it. See you in a bit. So guys, right now we're all set. I'm all ready. I just need to wear my specs and put perfume. So after that we're gonna be leaving. Really excited, and I'm not yet breaking the suspense. So make sure to watch it till the end in order to see where we're going, although you're gonna see it from the title or the thumbnail. Mom is outside trying to contact the cab driver. I'm inside as usual. But anyways, it's 5 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Actually, I guess it's 5:15. So yes, I'm all set to go. And this phone is going with us. See you maybe in the cab, maybe where we're going. I don't know. Bye bye.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking.
Currently हम प्लेटफॉर्म पे पहुंच चुके हैं. We're at the railway station and we met everyone. हम अकेले नहीं हैं. We are with someone you guys know on my channel already, right? Yes. I'm not going to reveal anything till now. They don't even know that where are we going now. Anyways, see you in the train and after that in the hotel, after that blah blah blah. So stay tuned. This is going to be a very exciting trip. Trust me. Right, Mom? Yes. So see you. Now I want to eat something. कुछ खिला दो, okay? So bye bye for now. So Nani and Dadi, they are going with us. Hi bolo. Hi. Here is Kia. Here is Masi. Hi bolo. अच्छे से बोलो. Bye bye. Bye. Right now we're sitting in the train and it's delayed by almost 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. अच्छे से स्माइल करो. Hi Kia.
एडिट कर दी मत लगाइयो ये सब मत लगाइयो
लगाऊंगी तो सही.
ये दूंगी.
So we're waiting for the train to get started. Delayed है बाहर. That's how it looks. So yes, we're waiting for the train to start. Hello. Nani. Waiting time. So the train is still not started moving and we've got this as breakfast: biscuits, milk powder and a tea kit. That's all. Train is delayed by 30 minutes by now and we don't know when is it gonna start. So whenever breakfast comes, further whatever comes, I'm gonna tell you guys. Train started after almost 1 hour 10 minutes of delay. अभी स्पीड नहीं है इतनी. It's just moving right now slowly. It's gonna catch speed. And yes, that's all. Spider-Man. See? Moving train.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the.
Hey, what a beauty! What a beauty!
Hi, we are now. We can see as the train has started. Now we can see the scenic beauty outside. Oh, whatever it is, doesn't really matter to me.
Yeah, it should.
No, it won't.
See how beautiful.
How beautiful it is, guys. Can you see the fingers coming in between the video?
कैमरा लग रही है मुझे तो.
पेज नहीं कर दिया तो बैठ जाओ. Yeah, you get me. Get up.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back.
So right now at around 9:35 or 40, we got our breakfast. Before breakfast, we got biscuit and tea. I showed you. Now we got mixed fruit juice, cutlets, bread and butter, and there was tea as well. If you want to take, you could. And yeah, I guess that was all it. And we had an option. Yes, there was an option. If someone wanted to take non-veg, they could have taken omelets, but they were finished, so we had to take cutlets. Rest, the food was okayish. Did you like the food?
No, it was okay type.
Okayish type. So yeah, Mama, did you like the food?
You should ask Kiara as well.
Yes, of course. Did you like the food?
Yes.
Yes, she liked it. We did not like it that much. And now I think we crossed Sonipat or something like that. I'm not sure. Our train is almost delayed by 1 hour 10 minutes, like full 1 hour 10 minutes. So we don't know at what time will we reach. And one more thing, this is of 16th November, and for this, the Swarn Shatabdi, I'll tell you where we're going. We're going to Amritsar, okay, from Delhi, and we're taking the Swarn Shatabdi Delhi to Amritsar junction. But there was a problem, I guess some Jalandhar Cant or something like that. I guess that one only. Railway station has some construction work, so because of that, it will go till Fagwada. It will go till Fagwada. From there, we'll have to take a cab or something. We'll see that. I'll tell you everything. And right now, let's see what's going on.
Yes, you are.
And thank you.
Crazy girl.
And just now, almost in the starting, we got to know by someone that Baga border will be closed on Sunday, and on Monday we need to return back. So we're planning on when to go, what to do. What do you have to say in it? कुछ अच्छा बोलना. नहीं बोलूँगी. See this. Anyways, let's see where we're gonna go. यहाँ पे. Where? Desi Indian Jugaad. Say something. How is the experience going so far? But it is overhyped. Yeah, one thing, Swarn Shatabdi is overhyped, at least for us.
Shatabdi is literally overhyped.
I was saying the same thing. Anyways, it's not as much as a crazy funny as we've heard about it. Probably Vande Bharat or something would have been better. And yes, that's all. It's fine. The view is going like that. We finished breakfast. Someone ate, someone didn't. Anyways, now just sitting doing time pass. Nothing more to do, and that's all. So let's see, when do we reach, what do we do, and I'll show you everything. As you see, I am making a vlog till now, so stay tuned and stay connected. See you further. 1 o'clock time. Speed of train not nice at all. Itni slow chal rahi hai. A car is faster than this, I'm telling you guys. I don't know if it's the problem for this one time, every time, whatever, but oh wow, golden look. But anyways, not worth it. So wait कर रहे हैं कि एक तो partially cancelled train है उसमें भी if they are delaying it so much, what are we gonna do? The timing was to reach Amritsar by 1:30, but right now we are not even able to reach Fagwada by 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now. I don't know why it's delayed so much, but overhyped, seriously. Anyways, we're enjoying our trip. Everyone slept. She slept. I slept. She slept. She slept. And she slept. She did not sleep. क्यों नहीं सोए? हाँ? नींद नहीं आ रही थी. And she did not let her sleep. So we're just waiting right now, and speed दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. As you can see, the speed is super slow. And too slow. Very slow.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back.
Our bags, we had to carry them, all of us, and now we're just gonna book the cab and go Amritsar. I guess we'll directly go to the hotel, and that's all. You can see this is how it is right now. Not too much crowded at all. That's how it looks at the outside, and people are still entering from over there. Everyone, as you can see, rest it's fine. But due to the delay, and this train was delayed by, oh my god, it's almost 2:30 right now, and we're still in Pakwada and it won't go further. So all the people who had to go to stations further than Pakwada, way to Amritsar Junction, or any of them, they had to, get down here only, and from there they had to, go wherever they want to, like whatever, I don't know that. But still, it was like a disaster. But we're gonna enjoy the trip further, and it was a torturous trip. So Shatabdi is overhyped. No, not gonna rate, at least for me. I've had my first Shatabdi experience because, yeah, and it's not worth it, not worth the wait, not worth the hype, not worth the money at all. Quality was not good. Like, overall, it was not good. Mom, how's your experience been with Shatabdi?
It was pathetic. I
Like,
really didn't enjoy that trip.
It's not worth the hype.
Yes.
And not worth the money that we're paying.
Exactly.
And still, we don't know how to get a partial refund because the train was delayed by IRCTC. So we're gonna see about all that, and I'll keep you guys updated. So now we'll book the cab and go to the hotel, and then we're gonna enjoy, live our life. So anyway, see you guys there. Till then, stay connected.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number.
Vibe of Punjaban Highway. Amazing. Guys, अभी भी बारिश हुई थी पीछे, and now the weather is so good, mom. You can see there's the sun. वहाँ पे है, दिख नहीं रहा, but it's too good, and हल्की हल्की ठंड भी है. बारिश हो गई तो I'm not wearing my jacket now. This is my OOTD, and my phone's battery drained out, so I'm using mom's phone. But it's too good, and I'm loving it here. This is the best trip I've had, I guess. Maybe. I don't know आगे क्या होगा. Let's go inside. Let's just go. बाकी लोग अंदर चले गए हैं, मासी, दादी, नानी, किया, सब everyone. So let's go inside. एक मिनट. Hi. Mama having Punjab की vibe.
Yes.
एक मिनट. Hi. Mama having Punjab की vibe.
Yes.
So guys, right now we've reached the hotel at 6:45. The day was like ups and downs. This is how our room looks. I'll give you a tour of the room. Mom is in the washroom, Dani is in the other room, and oh my god, the bed is comfy. I think it was worth the wait, and the luggage has arrived just now. And yeah, and in 1 minute I'll make you meet Mama. The entry gate. Open it, you get this. 1 second, let me close the gate. On opening it, you get this almirah. Then you get in. This is the interior, I guess. This is how the wall is. That's my luggage. Hi, mom. Hi, mom. Then this way. Then this is the washroom. Like, not so like spacious and to show, but yeah, that's how it is. And there is Nani. Nani. Hello. This is how the bed looks with a cute painting. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Then comes this. Hi. Yes, mom. And एक second, mama. Then we got this curtain which gives you very nice view. Wow, I like that tower. But yeah, whatever. So yep, that's all. And this is me. Ooh, top to the bottom. And that's all. The room is quite cute and simple. Love it.
See you in a bit. So I like the room, and here is Summit from the other room. अच्छा लगा room? Yes. Yes. So Masi. हाँ बेटा बाद में अभी नहीं. Okay. So it was really nice, and I'll give you a room tour now.
So after this we went to Golden Temple, and I couldn't shoot much there of course, but we enjoyed our time. We played with the fish a bit. We enjoyed there. We clicked many pictures. We did stand in the line for darshan, but it could not happen. Good morning guys. So I'm continuing the vlog of 16th November on 17th, because yesterday we got so tired that I came to the hotel and we just packed up everything and we just slept, so I couldn't end the vlog. This was all for today's video vlog tragedy. It happened today, and in the next vlog I'll tell in detail about it, how we had an upside down inverted trip, but it was fun and it was memorable. Now it is day 2. Today is 17th November. I'm ready. Everyone else is getting ready, specifically my mom. But anyways, now we're gonna start with the next vlog. So I'm ending this vlog here, and I hope you enjoyed our journey with us, because for me it was fun, a bit disappointing, but that's okay, I'll manage. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you in the part 2 of train tragedy. Bye bye. Thank you for watching part 1.